happened at the very end, Tyler Slaughter? The animals went to sleep, but what did Bear do?
He was awake.
He was awake. Very good. Let's look at our pictures and see if we can put them in order. So I want to think about the very first thing that happened in our story. Right? Was it winter and Bear is asleep, or did Mouse tell Bear not to be sad first?
He went to sleep first.
It was what time?
Night.
Winter, because it was what?
Cold.
It was cold and we saw the snow, so that tells us that it was winter time and Bear was asleep. Alright, what happened next? Did Mouse come and build a fire, but Bear snored on? Or did the badger join them?
The mouse came snow on.
The mouse came and built a what?
Fire.
Built a fire, and what did Bear do?
Snowed on.
He just kept on snoring. Alright, so now we have the mouse in the cave. What came next? Did the hare come next? Or did a bunch of other friends come?
The hare.
The hare came. What did the hare do?
Join.
They did join them, but then what did they do together?
They made tea.
They made tea and they popped
Popcorn.
popcorn. But what did Bear do?
Snowed
He
on.
snored on.
And I was dancing.
Alright, what happened next? Did the badger come? Or did the wren and the raven come?
The raven and the raven came.
The badger came. The badger came with some honey nuts. But what did the bear do?
Crunch.
He just snored on. Alright, tell me what happened next. Did the bear wake up? Or did more friends come and they had a party?
The more friends come and they had a party.
More friends came and they had a party, but what was the bear doing?
Snoring on.
Snoring on. And then what happened?
Pepper again and he knows it. It's okay.
The pepper got on his nose and he sneezed and the bear woke up. And how was he feeling? Sad. He was so sad. He was sad. Why was he sad? He wanted to have some fun too, and they were having all of the fun without him. So what did Mouse say?
He said, "Don't cry.
Don't be sad.
Because we can make popcorn and more tea."
That's right. He said we can make more popcorn and we can make more tea and we can party and we can dance and tell stories through the night. And then at the very, very end, who went to sleep?
The animal.
All of his friends. And what was Bear doing?
Staying up.
He was no longer sleepy, was he?
No.